I will be doing only till I will the application example, whatever I am planning to do for today's class, that is our class 9 or 10.
9.
9. Okay. So class 9, we will be doing application example, and we will see how to apply the combinational logic circuit for any real world problems. So I did one problem yesterday. So this is our second problem actually. So our first problem was multiplying a 2-bit binary value. You understood what is the basic idea behind that. Basic idea behind that was you had created a truth table in which it showed your two binary numbers of 2-bit each and output product of 4-bit giving you the product. You made a truth table and then you got 4 variable output. So you had to see 4 expressions. You solved it and you made a gate circuit out of it. So you completed that question. Now today our next question is, the question says that you need to design a combinational circuit which will generate, or when output is generated, indicating the majority. Output is generated indicating the majority, and what is the number of input?
4 inputs.
4 input. So it is indicating the majority of 4 inputs. So what do you think? If I make this block diagram now, how many input will be there? 4 input will be there.
4.
So I can call this 4 input as I1, I2, I3 and I4. And how many output should be there? How many output should be there? 8.
8. No. 6.
No, I am not asking about the number of possibilities. See, if you have 4 input, means possibility will be 16. There is no doubt in that. I am asking
16.
about the number of output. How many output will be there if I say that output needs to be generated indicating the majority of 4 input? 4. No, it is saying. Anybody else has any other answer than 4? Output will be only 1. Okay. Output will be only 1. And this output says what? This output bit should be high if majority of the inputs become high. What the question says? Output is generated. What is generated? Or output is indicated. So output is indicating the majority of 4 input. So if majority of 4 input becomes 1, then output should be high. Are you understanding? So now quickly I have to write the truth table. All of you write the truth table and you have to tell me for which all rows output will become 1. This I told you yesterday in the class, but still nobody has applied their mind to get me the answer. What is majority of 4 variable? Tell me. What do you say majority of 4? 1 out of 4 is majority?
3.
Or 2 out of 4 is majority?
3 out of 4.
Yes. 3 out of 4 is a majority. And 1 out of 4, 2 out of 4 is not a majority. Right? So, now my truth table is ready. Now you should tell me for which all I have to make my O output O 1 as high? For which all I have to say? So this is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
12, ma'am.
12. Okay, let me check. What about 11? 12 is 1100, no? 12 is 1100. 1100
11,
means
11.
only 2 bits are high.
11th one.
11 should be high. 11th should be high.
14 also, ma'am.
14 should be high. Then,
15,
yes, 15 should be high. Then,
13,
yes, 13 should be high. Then, anything
7.
else?
7, yeah, 7.
7, ma'am.
Yeah, 7 should be high. So you can see that 7, 13, 7, 11, 13, 14, 15 is high, right? And rest all will be 0, right? So let me mark with a different pen color. Showing majority is shown for 7, right? Then majority is shown for 11. Then majority is shown for 13 and 14 and 15. Right? These are all the majorities and rest all are a 0. Now can quickly somebody tell me what will be the equation? So 0 to 6 is a 0, 8, 9, 10 is a 0, 12 is a 0. So what will be the question looking like? O1 is function of I4, I3, I2, I1. Are you understanding this equation? O1 is a function of I4, I3, I2, I1. Why did I write I4 here? Because I4 is the MSB, I1 is LSB, so I wrote here. Now, this I wrote just to show that output is 1 variable and input is 4 variable. Now, what is the minterm form of showing it? What should I write inside this bracket?
7,
7, 11, 13,
In all
14.
places, output
15.
column shows 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Those minterms should be written in the bracket, right? So it becomes a 7 and 11, 13, 14, 15. This will give you the equation. And if you implement that equation using a basic gate or NAND gate, whatever, that will give you the circuit inside this box. Right? Can somebody quickly make the K map and give me the equation for this one? Somebody will do or I should only do? Because it is just one variable, you will get just, because it has only one output variable, you will get your K map.
Ma'am, actually, in the truth table, the last line is 16th. No, ma'am.
Last row is 15, yes?
16, no, ma'am. 8 plus 8.
It starts from 0, no?
Starts with 0.
Oh, okay. Sorry, ma'am. Sorry.
It starts from 0 to, it goes to, from 0 to 15, total 16 rows will be there. Okay, so it is I4, I3, I2, I1. Please write it carefully because I4 is MSB, it will come here only. So I4, I3 will be written like this and I2, I1 will be written like this. Right? Quickly I am doing so that just to complete one question in complete way so that nobody in the class has a doubt. So this is solving this question completely. Okay, so we have a 7, 11, 13, 14, 15. 7, 11, am I correct? It's not a very nice one, but what to do? Okay, we need to make a group now. So how many groups are made? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? These are all your 4 groups. Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So O1 will be equal to what? You should tell me now.
I4, I2, I1
I4, I3.
I2.
Acha, I'm talking about this group.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is I4, I3, and because I2 is changing, we will drop it and we will left with I1, right? I4, I3, I1 is your first one. This one, I3 is only changing. So it will be I4, I2, I1, right? I4, I2, I1. Any doubt in this? Right? Now somebody should tell me this one and this one. For this one only I4 is changing. So I4 will be dropped, rest 3 will be there. I3, I2, I1. For this one only I1 is changing. Can you see? For 14, 15 group only I1 is changing. So rest all will be dropped. If I am wrong somewhere, please help me out. Okay, I am not able to write the other one. I will write here. So how many gates you are required if I ask you to use only basic gate? Okay, the equation is right or not? 4 pairs, I have written it. No answer? Or you are doing it or not?
Correct, ma'am. Correct.
So if I allow you to use AND gate and if I also allow you to use one 3 input AND gate, then you require 4 AND gates to make this expression of I4, I3, I1, I4, I2, I1, I3, I2, I1 and I4, I3, I2. 4 AND gates, 3 input AND gates for these 3 and then 1 OR gate of 4 input to make this expression. Is this right? So if you want to implement, you will have 4 AND gates of 3 input and 4 input 1 OR gate. This will give you O1 and your output should be shown Your output should be shown here. I4, I3, I2, I1. These lines will be here. These lines will be here, and you should show the connections with that. So first one is I4, I3, I1. So I4, I3, I1, right? Next one is I4, I2, I1. So I4, I2, I1. This is the way to make the connection. Third one is I3, I2, I1. So I3, I2, I1, right? Last one is I4, I3, I2. So I4, I3, I2. Okay. So this is complete implementation of the circuit using a basic gate, and the question was designing a circuit to generate an output which indicates majority of 4 input. So the output will be true if majority of 4 inputs is high. Did you understand this second problem? Now can I go
Yes,
on,
ma'am.
can I go on to the third problem now? Okay, so I will go on to the third problem now. Okay.